There are three researchers stumbled upon the back of the air conditioning unit. One washes his hands. One splashes the water. And one put it in a container. Is water drinkable?
In St. Mary's Academy of Hagonoy, there is not only not 4, not 6, but a whopping 70 AC units working 7 a.m. to 6 p.m. 7 hours of non-stop drop of possible drinking water that may end up in canals, floors, and buckets.
First question: is air conditioner water drinkable?
Based on lab results issued on 25th of January in Bulacan State University Analytical Testing Laboratory, the total of E. coli count is more than 1,600 and less than 1.1 based on PNS-DW standard. The sample test was positive for E. coli. Therefore, the air-conditioned water is not drinkable.
Second question: how to get rid of the E. coli?
E. coli lives in the healthy intestines of humans and animals. However, this strain produces powerful toxins that can cause severe illness if consumed. In order to kill or inactivate E. coli, bring your water up to a boiling point for warming it. Water should then be allowed to cool, stored in a clean and sanitized container, then refrigerated.